Hello, trading is closed on January 30th, 2019. Didn't really have a call yesterday, but I did say there was an ultimate target of 26.50.14. Nothing required it to print today, but it did. We also get to cross some other targets off our list. All the other higher targets are back in October near the all-time high, 2800s, 2900s. A lot of times at major changes in trend, those stay unsatisfied. There's a new target from today's pattern, 26.64.77. That's my call, but as always, if we gap up and take out this high, it's not going to work. At least I'm not going to predict it'll work. Here was the sell signal. It says this move is false, and there's your target. Tomorrow's pattern's the one with the early low and the late high, tends to be an up day. The only time it isn't is if we drop early. Well, what are the chances we drop early? This is a pretty strong move. Um, well, here's your trend lines from the all-time high to this high is right here. Connect these lows. Here's your trend line resistance right here. If we gap over this, we've overcome resistance. And as I said, I have targets way up into the 2800s. Doesn't mean we'll hit them because I have some targets along the way. But if we overcome resistance, they could go that high without changing my long-term view. But for now, unless we gap over this, or at least take it out early, I look for lower prices. Here's the target, and we should have a three-leg Fed whipsaw, meaning we've gone up 30 points. And if we do drop here and undercut this significantly, we should undercut this by more than 30 points. So it could be a 60-point drop from here if this falls significantly. And once that happens, the whipsaw says we go up again, overtake this high by more than we undercut this point. But that's jumping ahead of ourselves. For tomorrow. Unless we take this out early, I look for lower prices even though the pattern's low to high, and there's my target.